والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Before I begin, a quick disclaimer. If there are any teachers in the room, you might not like what I'm about to say now, because if knowledge is everywhere, answers are instant, and a machine can teach you almost anything, then what exactly is a teacher for? I leave it at that. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh, ladies and gentlemen. You see, as soon as I got this topic, people around me laughed. They said, of course not. AI can never replace teachers. One teacher even smiled and said, nope, not happening. And I smiled, because that answer felt safe. But then I paused and thought, is it really true? You see, during the final days of exams, if you walk around the campus, you notice something strange. Students aren't running to classrooms or standing outside staff rooms. Instead, they are sitting in a corner with earphones on, watching classes online. So I wondered, if teachers can't be replaced, then why are students learning alone? And you know what? It gets more uncomfortable, because even the words I am sharing with you right now are shaped by AI. Confused? A little twisted? Good, because the most dangerous questions are the ones that feel easy to answer. You see, we humans like simple sides. Human good, AI bad. Teacher heart, machine cold. But the reality is actually messier. You see, AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't lose patience. It can teach faster than a human, and sometimes even clearer than a human. So the question comes back, sharper now. Are we sure teachers can be replaced, or are we emotionally attached to the idea? I'll let you figure that out. Meanwhile, how about we try something real quick? Ready? Are you ready? Okay. Who taught you the last thing you Googled? Okay. Now think again. Who taught you how to think? Those two answers are rarely the same. You see, here's where we go wrong. We keep asking, can technology replace teachers? But the real question is, can technology do what teachers do? Because teaching was never about answers to begin with. It was always about timing, judgment, and belief, something a machine can never give you. Trust me. A teacher doesn't just know what to teach. They know who they're teaching, and that's what makes them special. Let me put it this way. Technology, like this calculator. Give me two numbers, quick. 5? Okay, 8. Got it. Technology is exactly like this calculator. Precise, powerful, unimaginably fast. But give this to someone who doesn't understand numbers. Now that is not education, that is dependence. You see, the goal was never to compete with technology. Rather, it was to humanize it. To turn Google into understanding, AI into curiosity, and information into wisdom. So the question comes back once again. Can technology replace teachers? No. But it can replace boring teaching. And that's good news, because the future of education isn't human versus AI. It's simply humans supported by AI. Because the most important lessons are still taught by someone who looks at you and says, I see you. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is something no machine, no AI, and no system has ever learned to do. Thank you and have a nice day.